PEMDAS and BODMAS are two names for the same rule. The order of operations in math, they tell you what to solve first in an expression. So PEMDAS used mainly in USA, United States of America, and BODMAS used in UK, Pakistan, and India, and Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, blah blah. Right. So P and B, P and B, same. P parenthesis and B brackets, right? And E and O, E and O, same. E exponents and O orders, right? Now M, D and D, B. Okay, very important rule. M, D and D, M, D, M, same. Very important rule. After brackets and exponents, multiplication M is equal to multiplication and D is equal to division, right? And D division and multiplication. So multiplication and division are done left to right, not the multiplication first always. So M multiplication and D division. Same, right? Multiplication and division are done left to right, not the multiplication first always. So D division and M multiplication. Division here and multiplication. So AS and AS, addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction. AS and AS, same, left to right. Addition and S subtraction.